Getting something. Oh, come on! Header! Double header! Oh my gosh! Here we go! We're getting something right now. I didn't catch the double header, sadly. Oh my gosh! This is good. This is good. Tornado watch. Okay. Holy crap. Don't tell me it's going to be a triple header. No, it's not going to be a triple header. Holy crap. I did catch the first alert. Dude, you've reached your 100 EAS. Yes. That is awesome. Double header. I did catch the end of message tones from the FFW, but I didn't catch the alert tone. Oh yes! Thank you, thank you. Double header. That is awesome. I just caught one. Holy crap. I'll leave you guys right there so I can hear it.